Hi po.
Hi sir, good morning.
Ano po ang drink special nyo today?
Sir, we have tiramisu latte po. That is one of our best sellers.
Okay. Let me try it.
Thank you, sir.
Hi guys, punta tayo dito sa Sol. Meron silang Christmas drink special. Tingnan natin. Tawag nila ay tiramisu latte. Yeah! Oh, wow. That's me. Thank you. Dito natin dalhin sa second floor. Yeah. Ano, ganda dito. Hi guys, naubos ko. Ang sarap. Punta kayo, ang sarap ng tiramisu niya. Very affordable. Only 220. Ganun kalaking side pin. See you in Cafe del Sol. Bye-bye! We also have Black Forest Cake. Cake. December special. Yeah. And the famous mango cheese cake. Dami nilang offering. Dito pa, Cafe del Sol. Alright.